Hey, what's going on? Dave Erickson here with Everyman Driver. Today, I'm doing a point of view head camera, action camera. Got this off Amazon. There's a link below this video if you want to buy one. What I love about this action camera, it's got a microphone that comes with it that attaches to you so you can hear clearly. Hopefully, you'll hear clearly. Also, it's got a double-sided a screen. There's a screen in the back. There's also a screen in the front. Allows me to see things, or if I'm watching myself or have it propped up, I can see. It's like, dual screen. Anyhow, here's today's video, POV in the 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid. This is the touring trim level. I hope you enjoy. Price between $25,000 and $37,000. I have a review of it already and information on everymandriver.com, but because I want to showcase this camera, let's walk around. So with new elements, they have some external things, styling that's a little bit different. Check out the headlights. I'm going to go inside because it's a whole POV kind of thing, right? So this down here, show you the powertrain. I put a video recently on TikTok and Instagram saying, hey, guess what powertrain I have here? And a lot of people were able to figure out that it was Honda's Earth Dreams powertrain. Now I got the hybrid, so this was well over 200 horsepower. I think it was like 240 maybe. I don't have the numbers in front of me because I was kind of going off the hip here because I've already done my video, got information already online. But there you go. It has two different electrical motors and two other powertrains, like a 1.5 liter and a 2 liter. Let's go ahead and close that up, and then I'll show you some other things inside, and then we'll go for a little drive. Now, cargo volume, what was the number there? I think it was like 16 and change. And there's three ways to open this. One is there, one's in the key fob, and there's one just inside the door. So how's that? Are you able to see with the head camera? And inside it's got a couple of pull tabs to make it longer because that's a 60-40 split back there to allow longer items in the back. Okay. Back seat, legroom, and headroom. Hopefully this will work. So here's the inside, and there's the legroom. I'm 5'11". That's what it looks like with me sitting behind myself because this is my position as the driver. I'll show you the cabin here in just a second. Headroom, I can't really show you headroom, but I know it's good. It's showcased in my full review. Might as well just start it up and go for a ride. So push button start is right here. Pretty quiet as it starts up. Steering wheel also has a heads-up display. There's your 8-inch screen, not as big as some of the competitors, but it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Shows the power flow of how the engine is interacting with the battery. Down here, there's a wireless charging pad, which I really like. A couple of USB ports. There are different drive modes, Sport, Eco, and Regular. There's also EV mode, which I've played with a little bit. Steering wheel mounted controls, usual suspects here. You got the Bluetooth over here, adaptive cruise control, steering assist, heads-up display, which changes everything there and up there. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Seatbelt on, and pop it in a drive. Such a quiet and smooth ride for sure. In the video review that I did, I drove on some S-curves as well as accelerated on the highway. Showed some of the safety features. Oh, so you can see this. See a deer right there? Maybe you can. You're right there. Hi, deer. Hi, deer. And of course I did demonstrations with the cargo, the back seat, legroom, and headroom, and gave a full drive and review. I've done this once before with this action cam on my head to give you a point of view video. I'd like to know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you want to see more of these, the sun is setting here, 7:15 p.m. This car actually goes back tomorrow. All right, let's do this. We'll pop it in reverse. You can see lane lines which do turn with the steering wheel. That's good. And there are different camera angles here. This is straight down. So there you go, the exterior of the vehicle one more time. And then just to show you, I also want to see how smooth this video is. There's the back end. This is a mainstay for Honda. Being a mid-sized car, throwing in the hybrid powertrain makes it very attractive for families, especially with that price point. And then my fuel economy up to 48 miles per gallon with the hybrid. Hope you enjoyed that or didn't get too sick. Thank you for watching. More to come, and I want your feedback. You want to see more head cam videos or maybe some advice on how I can use this to your benefit. Thanks for watching. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.